Hey guys, I'm home. Well, then again, where else would I be? But I am taping my class bird. Look at her. She's so amazing. She's gonna peck it. She's gonna peck you. Look out, there's the bird. Kitty, come on, peck us. She's pecking us. Look at her. She's gonna peck my finger. She pecked my finger. Look at her. She's laying on eggs. She's such a beautiful animal. Come on. Oh my gosh, watch it. She's gonna peck it. Oh, she's gonna peck at you. Urgh. Peck at us. She's such a very good animal. Maybe if we go inside on a closer look. How would you like that? Very awesome. Ready? Okay, guys, we're going to get in for a closer look. Okay. In her cage. See, she's pecking you. Okay, well, I'm making her mad, so I'm probably going to stop. Okay, guys, hope you liked it. Bye-bye.